Book of AI Meow has very big plans for the crypto world and you can become a part of them. Get ready. So guys, here we are with Book of AI Meow meme. So guys, you can see the website is absolutely amazingly done. Great design right here, guys. Here is our mascot Book of AI Meow greeting us when we enter in the page. As you can see, everything runs so smooth, no lagging, no buffering, and you can find all the information that you need regarding the project and all about the amazing features it is bringing to the table alongside with it. So what we're going to do now, guys, is go ahead and take a deeper look through the website itself to see what this project is about and what we can expect from it. But before I get to that, guys, just remember that I'm not a financial advisor, and you should always remember to make the decision for yourself when deciding to invest into your project. But yeah, guys, let's get straight into it. So guys, get ready for Book of AI Meow. Welcome to the captivating realm of the Book of AI Meow, where the world of meme coins, Solana-based technology, and artificial intelligence converge. Dive into perfect fusion of innovative blockchain solutions, delightful feline team content, and cutting-edge AI technologies, as BOAM invites you to embark on an exciting journey through the whimsical world of cryptocurrency, cat memes, and AI-driven innovation. So guys, as you can see, the pre-sale is starting in 8 days, so we are going to go ahead and check it out right here on the Pinksale Finance website. In just a moment, here you can find all the partners of this project, such as Pinksale, SoulScan, DexScreen, and so on. Very big names in the Solana world and crypto world, so that's very nicely done by the team itself. So here we have the about section, the introduction, guys. It's not just a meme coin, it's a digital phenomenon where values derive from the collective humor and creativity of its community. So driven by the powerful community interest culture, constantly adapting and embracing the latest trends and jokes, join us in this dynamic journey where laughter meets innovation, and together let's shape the future of meme-based cryptocurrency. So guys, there you have it. There is your information and your invitation into this project, and now we're going to go ahead and check out all the info that we can find. There are a couple of giveaways going on, so make sure to stay in the video till the very end to see what it's all about. And let's go ahead and check the pre-sale. So as I already told you, 8 days and 22 hours is until the pre-sale begins, and here we have all the info that we need, as we can see. So all the utility they're bringing alongside this project, the tier 1, tier 2 CX listings at their launch. So they have very big plans for those listings that's going to bring new people into this project. They have a 200k marketing budget, trending on Gecko Terminal, DexView, and so on. YouTube marketing with a lot of influencers sharing the hype regarding this project, multi-platform banner ads, AI and NFT generating dApp, and so on. So a lot is being prepared within the project. They have the SAFU, guys. They have the audit as well as the KYC. So they have the trio, guys, of necessary documentation. They have everything they need for giving this project another layer of transparency and security within the community and making the community feel safer when getting into this project. So very nicely done by the team itself. Here you can find all the information right here that you need, such as liquidity, lockup time, listing on, and so on, with the percentage as well. So if you are interested, guys, connect wallet options right here and get into the pre-sale in the early stages to maximize your profits. So let's go ahead and see what else we can find on the website, so you can see how do you buy it, guys. Basically, after the pre-sale ends, if you have missed the pre-sale, you can go ahead and get it on the Solana chain. So if you want to get it into the Solana chain for this 100 times token, guys, you can do so by getting your Phantom wallet, putting some Solana tokens into your Phantom wallet, and then you can go ahead and get started with swapping for the Book of AI Meow token. But before that, guys, go ahead and make sure to get into the pre-sale to maximize your profits. Here you can find the NFTs, guys. So the creativity of Meow community merges with the ingenuity of powerful AI engines to create digital masterpieces like never before. So guys, if you love NFT, you're going to go ahead and love Book of AI Meow. So you can go ahead and get started creating your masterpieces with Book of AI Meow. This is going to be implemented, as you can go ahead and see, once the time comes for the new features. So guys, here we have the features that are being added to this project, guys. The staking dApp. You'll have the opportunity for your BOAM tokens and BOAM NFTs through a dedicated staking dApp to stake them, guys. Staking is one of the most important features that the project can have because it provides so much options for utility and making passive income within a project. So very nicely done by the team itself. Staking is always very important within any project. As you can see, the take me button is going to be right here. This is going to take you to it. The NFTs that we just took a look at, this is going to enable you a lot of options for trading them, buying them, making profit as well with the NFTs. And the swap option, guys, the swap is going to enable you to swap your tokens, guys, and make it effortlessly and intuitive for your trading experience. So you'll have all the options like any other swap, and it's going to be very nicely implemented in the project itself to make your life easier. Here we can find all the tokens and tokenomic info, where you can find all the allocations and percentages, as you can see right here, where every supply goes, and you can take a look at the total supply as well. Here we have the taxes, you can see at 0%, we have the audit and so on, as well as the token address that you can use, and a roadmap, guys. A roadmap is always very very important, showing us that the team know what they're doing and they know the steps you need to take with the project to become successful. And here exactly we have that, guys, book of AI Meow roadmap, where you can take a look at the phase 1, which is foundation, conceptualization, building websites, so on, going into phase 2, phase 3, and phase 4, which is the expansion, improving tools, adding even more people, new exchanges, and so on. So they have very big plans for the project and a very optimistic future in front of them. But yeah, guys, basically that is the info that we have. So as you can see here at the top of the page, we have the white paper. So if you're interested into even more details regarding this project, such as their mission, vision, what they're aiming to do within the project, you can find it right here on their white paper with the AI powered NFT generation that you can take a look at, right? Community driven, security and transparency, all the key benefits. And guys, now we come to their giveaway. So here is the airdrop that is going on right here on Gleam. You can take a look that the airdrop is going on, where you can get started completing tasks, earning your points, and getting into it. So guys, the top 5 participants with the most entries will receive $500 worth of the tokens, and 10 randomly selected participants will each receive $100 worth of BOAM tokens. So it's simple, guys. Complete the task, do the daily task, and rack up your entries as many as you can. And if you want it, you can get it, guys. That's how easy it is to get into. You can take a look right here, 11 days left. You can take a look at the total entries. So make sure to get into it on time, get all of your entries to maximize your chances of winning the giveaway. So yeah, guys, go ahead and check it out for yourself right here on the official website. Go ahead and check out the pre-sale. All the links that you need are down in the description to get into it today on time. So make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and notifications on so you can always be notified when we upload a new video. But guys, thanks for watching today's one. I hope I'll see you in the next one, and bye.